Hello everyone, I am Rupinder Singh and my teammates are Manpreet Kaur, Arshdeep Singh, Harmanjot Kaur and Harmanpreet Singh. Today we are here to present our company Smart Cart, the future of seamless shopping. Introduction. The retail sector undergoes massive change because artificial intelligence and automation now form part of its operation. Today's consumers expect fast shopping services accompanied by smooth operations and minimal obstacles during their purchases. The retail market continues facing three fundamental problems, which include long checkout queues and billing systems that operate inefficiently along with insufficient customer specific transactions services. Smart Cart serves as an advanced retail system that reduces checkout frustration by providing customers with AI based automated services for easy shopping. The RIFT barcode scanning capabilities of Smart Card allow real time bill generation through cashless transaction that redefine retail shopping practices, understanding the need for Smart Card. The conventional checkout system operated by supermarkets and retail stores produces insufficient results, which create extended queues and unhappy shoppers together, with elevated management expenses for retailers. The market required technology enhanced AI solutions that deliver seamless shopping experiences because new advancements in technology keep expanding. SmartCart resolves these user difficulties through its functionalities that compromise. Real-time scanning allows customers to add item to their cart for SmartCart to automatically record transaction which instantly display updated total bill information. The platform delivers smooth cashless payment method for customers who use mobile wallets and NFC payments and credit card debit cards without needing conventional manual checkouts. The card system uses AI technology to offer customized products along with special promotions and it has tailored shopping pattern to match the preferences of individual customer. The digital receipt system enables sustainable paperless business transaction which help preserve the environmental in retail operation. Why smart card? Key features and benefits. First, eliminates checkout line. Extended checkout lines in traditional shop cause customer to leave their carts behind, leading to reduced sales and dissatisfaction for shoppers. Smart card perform automatic billing without needing physical checkouts because customers can create electronic receipts through cart use. Second, AI driven smart shopping. Through an integration of AI technology and IoT, Smart Cart delivers better shopping solutions to its users. The system uses tracking mechanism to offer personalized promotion deals through the analysis of user purchasing data and their shopping activities. User can obtain their desired product more efficiently through digital lists that Smart Cart provides as a service. The system offers real time the system offers real the system offers real time inventory updates which notifies store owners about product depletion. Seamless digital integration. Seamless digital integration. Users have the option to integrate smart card with their smartphone applications to achieve continual connection between their shopping devices. Voice enabled shopping assistant will incorporate future version with voice recognition capabilities which enable users to add shopping item through spoken commands. Fourth, sustainability and security. The smart card system offers an environmentally conscious method of shopping because it enables paperless billing procedures and reduces plastic waste. Enhanced security. Smart card prevents theft and fraud through RIFT tracking and AI driven loss prevention algorithms. Consumer personas, Kotler and Keller's framework. A product's success depends heavily on grasping how consumers behave, since this information helps develop solutions for genuine market requirements. SmartCard pursues two main consumer audience according to Kotler and Keller's segmentation approach. Tech-savvy millennials, aged 25 to 35, needs speed along with automation and digital convenience constitute the requirement that customer demand from the product. Challenges: limited time, frustration with slow checkout processes. How SmartCard helps: one tap mobile payment, self checkout, and AI driven recommendation. Second, busy parents, age 30 to 45, needs quick and efficient shopping for large grocery trips. Challenges: the main difficulties include dealing with children during shopping runs in addition to time related issues. The following benefits of smart card usage include real time billing together with digital grocery list and automatic discount notification. Smart Card provides a dedicated service for these specific age groups to supply them with customized shopping service without time waste. How Smart Card works: step by step process. First, scan and go. Inside the device, an RIFD barcode scanner identifies items when the customer places them in the cart. Next, real time billing. The system provides real time billing that automatically computes prices while doing away with checkout queues. Next, cashless payments. Smart card allows payment through connected mobile wallets together with debit or credit cards while maintaining total security of transactions. Next, AI powered shopping. The smart card system delivers AI processed recommendation of product combined with automatic notification about relevant deals. Digital profile and online behavior of smart cards target audience. Tech savvy millennials. Active on Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Their target audience follows Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn while interacting with technology related material together with digital store trends. The target audience shows positive response toward influencer market products and online advertisement campaigns. Busy parents. Active on Facebook and YouTube. Smart cart users check Facebook together with YouTube for grocery special along with parental advice and economical shopping methods. The target audience tends to appreciate promotions sent through emails and offers available within the application interface. Researching the audience behavior helps develop marketing strategies which produce the most effective result. Best digital channel to promote smart cart: social media ads like on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Target millennials and parents. Google and YouTube ads. Smart shopping and fast checkout searches on Google and YouTube will catch our attention. Retail partnership. In-store smart card promotion with grocery chain. Influencer collaboration. The smart card need to be endorsed through collaboration with influencer who have strengths in technology and parenting sector. The specified tactics establish robust online visibility and strengthen customer relationship opportunities. Industry trends supporting smart cards adoption. Growth of contactless payments. Contactless payment will continue to grow because the digital payment market is anticipated to exceed $12.5 trillion by 2027. Rise of self-checkout technology. 72% of US grocery outlets currently maintain self-checkout kiosks through their stores. Sustainability and paperless transaction. Smart card enable shopper to support sustainability along with paperless transaction in their shopping habits. Consumer preferences for convenience. The majority of Gen Z and millennial shoppers choose to visit stores that provide digital checkout feature by a significant 75%. Smart cart meets the present and anticipated market trend to become a revolutionary innovation within retail. Conclusion. The future of shopping is here. The innovation known as smart card transcends technology upgrades to establish itself as an altogether groundbreaking retail concept that enhances shopping speed alongside pre-processing and user friendliness. Smart cart utilizes AI along with automation and real-time transactions features to aid both retail, clientele, and store owners through the digital shopping developments. Retailers who adopt smart card will benefit from reduced checkout congestion and higher sale conversions. The system achieves better customer satisfaction when shoppers enjoy tailored shopping interaction, lower operational cost, and enhanced inventory management. Industry analytics shows that retail business will transition toward implementing AI-enabled shopping solutions, such as Smart Cart, as the standard retail practice. The market currently requires convenient, automated, sustainable solution which Smart Cart successfully implements. Consumer shopping adoption of the future approaches at a rapidly increasing pace. The expansion of progress and technological development of smart card will receive ongoing updates. Follow our blog for industry news, case studies, and smart card latest innovation. Thank you.